Oh, you see? Jerome, see another chicken?
Oh my god! Get on! Oh my god! I tried to get this.
You want to touch it?
No, I don't want to touch it.
You want to touch it, Jerome?
That's a zebra.
Come. Yes, sir. Hey, my God.
I just got excited.
Move this side. Another one. Oh, ain't that one? It's scary, right?
That's a big chicken.
Yeah.
That's a big chicken. Chicken, guys. Done, done. Gonna pick. I don't want to touch it because it might.
What?
I don't want to touch it. It might hurt. Look at that big chicken.
Look at that. Oh, look at this. Jerome, move here. Look at this.
Jenna, no.
Jerome, come here.
Stop it.
Jerome, come.
Wow, those are some cool looking chickens.
Oh my god.
You just got
Can we see something else? Can we see?
See another one there?
Yes, that's.
Yeah. Yeah, don't move very close like that.
Let's move like this.
Let's go that side. There's another one here.
Buddy. What's wrong with you? Just don't move.
Oh, Cindy, can you say something to YouTube? I'll put this one on YouTube.
I love
Jerome, say something.
these buddies.
Oh, look at me. Look at me.
These buddies look so cute.
Uh-huh.
I think love they're so shy.
Oh, okay.
They're so good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. You say bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Yeah. See that?